Hey family, welcome back to Mind Your Plate. Listen, if your body has been acting tired, bloated, or is just now minding its business, this Green Power Detox Juice is about to bring it back in line. And yes, it tastes good. First things first, make sure everything is washed pretty well. I have 2 cups of kale, chopped, 1 green apple, peeled, 1 lemon, sliced cucumber, and I have 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. Kale is loaded with iron, fiber, and antioxidant. This is your cell cleaning friend. Our green apple adds natural sweetness, plus is a digestive support. So this juice doesn't taste like straight vegetables. Our cucumber, that's our hydration queen. Plus it's gonna help flush the toxins as well as calm the inflammation. The lemon, it detoxes the liver, boosts the immunity, and wakes your digestive system up. And our ginger, this is the kick. It reduces bloating, fights inflammation, helps digestion, and yes, it gets things moving. I usually start with my leafy greens. So today I'm gonna start with the kales. Leafy greens go in first so they can be pushed through. Add your kales, then follow with the cucumber. The water content help push the greens along. Next is the green apple. This boosts the juice flow and balances the flavor. Next is our ginger, small but powerful. This is where the detox kick really comes in. Last is our lemon. The citrus in the lemon cleans the juicer as well as brighten everything. So we made about almost 15 ounces. This is about 90 calories, 20 grams of carbs, 3 grams of fiber, 4 grams of protein, no fat, and 11 grams of sugar. This is best taken in the morning on an empty stomach or midday when you're feeling sluggish. As far as the taste, it's fresh, a little bit tart, a little spicy from ginger, and super refreshing. This is the kind of juice that your body recognizes immediately. From taking this, you might notice reduced bloating, better digestion, more energy, clearer skin, and feeling lighter overall. Personally, this juice keeps me less bloated and feeling clean from inside out, and it's really a staple in my routine. Now, have you tried the green detox juice like this? Let me know what you add, or what would you take out from it? Or do you drink it as it is? Leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and always mind your plate. Eat well, live mindful, and mind your plate.